Imagine waking up tomorrow and never having to worry about money again. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to reveal the top 5 secrets that can take you from financial struggle to financial freedom. And trust me, these are the game changers you've been waiting for. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or feel like you're stuck in the endless cycle of debt, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 secrets to achieving financial freedom. No gimmicks, no magic, just practical advice that will change your financial life for good. So, let's dive right in. Secret 1. Build a budget. Secret number 1 is all about having a clear budget. Now, I know, budgeting doesn't sound exciting, but trust me, it's the foundation of financial freedom. Without a budget, you're essentially driving blind. A budget helps you understand where your money is going and helps you cut out unnecessary spending. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Make sure you're saving at least 20% of your income every month. And here's a bonus tip. Automate your savings so you won't be tempted to spend that money. Secret 2. Eliminate debt. Secret number 2. Eliminate debt as quickly as possible. Debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial freedom. The longer you carry debt, the more you're paying in interest, which could be better spent building your wealth. Start with high-interest debts, like credit cards, and then tackle smaller loans. You'll feel a huge weight lifted off your shoulders once you're debt-free. Secret 3. Build multiple streams of income. Secret number 3. Build multiple streams of income. One job is no longer enough to achieve true financial freedom. Start a side hustle, invest in stocks, or even create an online business. By diversifying your income sources, you'll have more financial stability, and you won't be dependent on a single paycheck. Remember, the more you earn, the more you can save and invest. Secret 4. Invest wisely. Secret number 4. Invest wisely. Saving money is important, but it's not enough. If you want your money to work for you, you need to invest. This could be in stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business. The key is to start small and be consistent. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. And don't worry, investing doesn't have to be complicated. There are simple ways to start, even if you're a beginner. Secret 5. Mindset and discipline. Finally, secret number 5. Mindset and discipline. Financial freedom is as much about your mindset as it is about the numbers. Stay focused on your goals, be patient, and practice discipline. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but with the right mindset and consistent effort, you'll start to see the results. Stay committed, and never let short-term setbacks deter you from your long-term goals.